Who likes gingerbread cookies? So today we'll be painting a gingerbread girl. My name is Lily. Let's get started. So here I've got a 1/2 inch angled wash, and I'm using Superstar Brown and Superstar Tan, and I've made my own 1-stroke. So here I'm just going all the way around, creating a circle, and I'll use the side of my brush to color in the center. We'll create her stubby little arms as well. Here we go, we'll do her body, and it's the same technique as her head. And now her feet. So I'm just going around and I'm twisting that angle brush, turning around. I've decided, since this is a gingerbread girl, we're adding a pink bow. So this is also Superstar, I believe I used bubblegum pink. This is Superstar Yellow. Now I've decided to add some yellow frosting on her limbs. We'll add the pink gumdrop. And I use the side of my brush to stamp it down and create the rosy of her cheeks. I've used teal here for the other gumdrop, all using my Lowell Cornell number 3. We'll use some teal dots for frosting. And I try not to use a lot of black in designs. If I can get away with a darker color, I'll do that instead. So here I've got Superstar Plum, and I'm creating sort of not perfectly round shapes, because I want it to look more like cookie, more like frosting. Alright, now her eyes, of course we need big and bold, so we're going to use the Lowell Cornell round number 2, loaded with DFX black, I believe this is. We'll do some flicks for her little eyelashes here off to the side. And her mouth is going to be the letter W. Look how adorable. So now I'm outlining the pink gumdrop, and I'm using Superstar Plum. And the top gumdrop I'll be outlining in Superstar Petrol Blue. That's going to be the darker shade for the teal. So I'll stamp my brush down and create that shine on her eye. I decided to add a smaller shine as well. We'll highlight just a little bit on the parts of the design that are just a tad dark. Of course, we need swirls, teardrops, and filigree. So we'll do that now. We'll also add dots here and around the design. Feel free to add Facepaint Forum Shop's chunky glitter. We've got an assortment of colors. Look how adorable! Thank you guys so much for watching. So remember, visit facepaintforumshop.com for all your needs. Bye!